Now let's turn our attention to the stage for the moment we've all been waiting for. Starting off our studio worship session, singing He Turned It, here is Central High School.
Central High, you sound real good. Love your use of the stage, the overlapping section with the O's. Lovely. And you deserve to be here.
Well, when I saw Central High in the top 10, I said yes, because I remember the performance of Mama Love, and I said, I hope that school gets in. So I'm glad to see you. This song was accurate, it was really balanced, beautiful arrangement. Everybody looks so relaxed. I am expecting good things from you.
Central High, you sounded really great. The lead singer, I wanted you to look at us some more when you were doing those lead parts, but really great. I mean, I had a few challenges with the band, but really good.
Well, they made it to top 10, and if you want Central to take it further, then you know what to do. Call or text 444-8801.